Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sign a PDF with a digital signature certificate. First, ensure you possess a valid digital signature certificate, typically issued by a trusted certificate authority. This certificate acts as your digital identity, verifying your authenticity. You will also need to install any necessary drivers or software associated with your certificate token, such as a USB device, to ensure your computer can recognize and utilize it effectively for signing documents. Next, open the PDF document you intend to sign using a compatible PDF reader, like Adobe Acrobat or a similar application. Once the document is open, navigate to the security or signature tools within your software's interface. These tools are usually found under a Tools or Protect tab. Identify the specific area or field where you wish to place your digital signature within the document. Now, select the option to digitally sign the document. Your software will then prompt you to choose your digital signature certificate from a list of available options. After selecting your certificate, you will be asked to enter your unique certificate password, or PIN, for authentication. This step ensures only you can use your certificate. Finally, visually place your signature on the desired location within the PDF document. After applying your signature, carefully review the signed PDF to confirm its appearance and, more importantly, its validity. Most PDF readers will display a small ribbon or icon indicating a valid digital signature. It is crucial to save the document, often as a new file, to preserve the integrity of the original. A valid digital signature provides strong assurance of both the document's authenticity and its integrity, ensuring it hasn't been tampered with.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.